In a narration found in Sunan IB, near Marjar, number 4108, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised that the material world compared to the hereafter is like a drop of water compared to an ocean. In reality, this simile was given in order for people to understand how small the material world is compared to the hereafter. But in reality they cannot be compared, as the material world is temporal, whereas the hereafter is eternal. Meaning, the limited cannot be compared to the unlimited. The material world can be split into 4 categories: fame, fortune, authority, and one's social life, such as their family and friends. No matter what worldly blessing one obtains which falls within these groups, it will always be imperfect, transient, and death will cut a person off from the blessing. On the other hand, the blessings in the hereafter are lasting and perfect. So in this respect, the material world is no more than a drop compared to an endless ocean. In addition, a person is not guaranteed to experience a long life in this world, as the time of death is unknown. Whereas, everyone is guaranteed to experience death and reach the hereafter. So it is foolish to prioritize striving for a day, such as one's retirement, which they may never reach, over striving for the hereafter which they are guaranteed to reach. This does not mean one should abandon the world, as it is a bridge which must be crossed in order to reach the hereafter safely. Instead, a Muslim should take from this material world enough to fulfill their necessities and the necessities of their dependents according to the teachings of Islam, without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. And then dedicate the rest of their efforts in preparing for the eternal hereafter by fulfilling the commands of Allah, the Exalted, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience according to the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. This will ensure one uses the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. This will ensure they obtain peace of mind and success in both worlds. Chapter 16 and now, verse 97.
Whoever does righteousness, whether male or female, while he is a believer, we will surely cause him to live a good life, and we will surely give them their reward in the hereafter according to the best of what they used to do.
An intelligent person will not prioritize a drop of water over an endless ocean, and an intelligent Muslim would not prioritize the temporal material world over the eternal hereafter.